Let's bake cupcakes. A cupcake, the common US term, or fairy cake, the common British term, is a small cake designed to serve one person, usually made in a small paper cup container. As with larger cakes, frosting and other cake decorations such as sprinkles are defining characteristics of modern cupcakes.
When baking cupcakes, you must
Cupcakes are a more convenient alternative to cake because they don't require utensils or dividing into pieces because they're smaller.
butter, eggs, salt. You will always want to preheat your oven to the proper temperature before putting the cupcakes in.
The name cupcakes, or measure cakes, is believed to have developed because of the use of the practice of measuring the ingredients using a standard-sized cup instead of the previous practice of weighing the ingredients.
KitchenAid mixer.
It is interesting to note that the cakes were likely called number cakes because of a mnemonic device for remembering the recipe. 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, and 4 eggs, plus 1 cup of milk and 1 spoonful of soda. The formula became known as the 1, 2, 3, 4 cake, and today's cupcakes are mostly still made with the similar traditional cake ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The name cupcakes, or measure cakes, is believed to have developed because of the use of the practice of measuring the ingredients using a standard-sized cup instead of the previous practice of weighing out the ingredients.
Please allow your cupcakes to cool completely before you begin frosting them.